Hi guys, in this video I want to show you how to block ads in Safari on iPhone. For that, we are going to start by opening App Store, tapping on search bar and entering ad block just like that. I misclicked, so let's remove this. And now we need to find this app in the list and install it. After that, go ahead and open the app and now you'll see how to enable it. So for that, we are gonna go in phone settings. Here, scroll all the way down and find last section apps. Now go ahead and find Safari in the list. Then scroll a bit down, find extensions. And to block ads in Safari, you would need to enable this app in extensions. So click on each of this section and toggle on the switch to allow this extension. Let's continue doing it for the third section, fourth, and so on, and the last one. Great, now near each of the section we can see status on, and if we go back we can also enable to block pop-ups. Now just open the app. Here just wait a few seconds till you can access the app. I'm gonna tap continue, skip the premium version. And now you need to make sure that the section block ads is turned on. Additionally, you can turn on here safe browsing, background updates, and so on. But you need to make sure that this one is turned on. Now open Safari and open any website in which you can see a lot of ads usually. So open it. And now you should see that there is no ads in this website, so we just basically blocked them. Let's go back in settings and disable to block pop-ups as well as disable this app in extensions. So I'm gonna again turn off each of the section in the list to show you the difference. Now refresh this website, and after that you can already see a lot of ads popping up in this website. So that's it for today, and if this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment, and I wish you all the best. Bye bye.